Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Natgas continues to be in this corrective structure. I'm looking at this still as a wave 4. Yeah, a wave 4 that is forming an A, B, C. And in the C wave rally, that's where we are at the moment. Yeah, and the C wave rally is an ending diagonal, therefore it is quite choppy. Have a bit of fluctuations here at the moment, but nothing that would have broken support. In fact, it reacted nicely to support, and above $3.04. I am in favor of further extensions to the upside. If we get all of these waves, I am unsure about. I would now, as we are obviously in the target range that we've been watching for months, okay, I would start to get just a bit careful. Just a bit careful because this can turn around at any time. What I'm going to do with every extension higher that we get, I am going to add just a relevant support. And once we break below that support, then we have an indication that we are coming down in the fifth wave towards a new low. I'm still in favor of another low at the moment. It doesn't need to be. Alternatively, the overall correction finished here. For now, the trend is up anyway. But as soon as we have a top in place here, I would be watching for new lows, okay? But I will in parallel still give you bullish support that needs to hold for a more bullish interpretation, for a rally to new highs, because we don't want to miss that. But either way, we would expect a bit of a, well, quite a strong retracement actually. So either we are forming here a leading diagonal, which would be a bullish wave 1, and then the pullback should be quite deep before we do the rally, or this is an ending diagonal and we break down to a new low. So either way, we expect quite a deep pullback. You could even call it a crash in case of a new low. Yeah? So that's what we're watching for. And within this ending diagonal, we are currently in what we would call a third wave, fourth wave, actually a fourth wave. In this fourth wave, the price is, that was the dog. In the fourth wave, we're currently dealing here with an ABC structure. That might be finished actually. It's not entirely clear. There are different ways how this could play out. To keep it very simple, I would say against the $3.04 level, we focus on higher, because below that level, a break below the 50% FIB level will typically lead to invalidation, yeah, of the further upside. So yesterday the price dipped into support. We have a nice 3-wave move down that could be enough for wave 4. And I gave you my view that a very early signal that things might be turning around could be a break above this resistance, initial resistance at $3.34. So that was the signal that this C wave is likely over. And that now means we could be moving up in a wave 5, or this wave 4 is just extending, but an ABC structure seems to be complete. The signal was given yesterday with that break above the 50% retracement level, which means that, yeah, I mean, the fourth wave could now be complete. It would need to confirm that now with a break above $3.47. Then we get our extension higher, closer towards the next FIB level up there, which is at, oops, let me zoom out, which is at $3.91. And that's still possible as long as we don't break below $3.04. That's all possible. This ABC structure is turning into a larger A, B, C. That's what it can do. It could even turn into a triangle. I mean, a wave 4 can do all sorts of things, so we need to be a bit flexible in wave 4. And we haven't even reached the ideal target for a fourth wave. Ideal target would be $3.15, the 38.2 retracement level. But yeah, we need to be a bit flexible. If we get a breakout higher, then we're likely in the fifth wave of a larger third wave. We should get another 4 and a 5 then. If we come down a little lower, I would just count that as a more extended fourth wave, and below $3.04, I would seriously start to assume that the overall top has been made. Okay, I'm not primarily watching for that yet. I will start to watch for that if we go a little higher, but below $3.04, we have to assume that it has probably topped. Okay, but yeah, that's not the primary scenario at this stage. So yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you like additional updates about the S&P 500 and some stocks and shares, check out our S&P and stock service. We launched that last week. already very popular, and you find the link in the video description. We update in that service every day the S&P 500. At some point intraday or partially intraday as well. Yeah, maybe not every day, but when the price action demands it, we do that. But there will be a daily update, a daily video update, plus selected stocks will be updated also on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.